Good morning, students. Today we will take the Hives chapter packing. Before you read, do you like going on trips? Yes, I think everybody likes. What kind of trips do you enjoy most? How do you feel about having to pack for a trip? कैसा लगता है? Very boring. Have you ever discovered on a trip that you have forgotten to pack a few things you very much need? And when you reach there, you know that what things are forgotten and seems very important for you. Does this make you angry or does it make you laugh at yourself? Now I am telling you the summary of this chapter, packing. The narrator decides there are three main characters, Jerome, J.K. Jerome, Harris, George, and they have one pet dog also, Montmorency. Jerome felt pride on his packing. Three friends decided to go on a holiday. He offered to do packing. George and Harris, his friends, were impressed by that. They relaxed by lighting a cigar and pipe, respectively, that the narrator would do the packing. But the narrator had intended that George and Harris would pack and he would boss over them. When they relaxed, he was irritated. People not doing anything greatly irritated him. He could not sit still and see others working. He would enjoy getting up and overseeing others working. He hated seeing people doing nothing when he was working. The narrator started the packing. He had finished packing in a short time. Harris told him that he had forgotten to put the boots in. He opened the bag and packed the boots in. He was going to close it. Just then he had an idea. Had he packed his toothbrush? He had some wild memories with his toothbrush. He turned everything, but he could not find the toothbrush. He found brushes of George and Harris more than 18 times, but he could not find his own. Then he found the toothbrush inside a boot. He repaired the things once more. The narrator finished packing the bag. Soon George asked if the shop was in, but the narrator was in anger. He wouldn't open the bag again. However, he found that he had packed his tobacco pouch in it, so he had to reopen the bag. Harris and George were not good packers. The narrator could see piles of plates, cups, kettles, cakes, tomatoes, etc. Soon the packing became exciting. Cups were broken. Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. George walked over the butter. The narrator sat and saw them packing. This irritated George and Harris. They didn't find what they wanted to find. They packed the pies at the bottom of the bag. They squashed them after putting heavy things on them. George and Harris upset everything. George trod on the butter while packing. George put the butter off his slipper. Then they tried to put it in the kettle. It wouldn't go. What was in wouldn't come out. They at last got it. They put it down on a chair. Harris saw on it and struck to him. Then they went looking for it over the room. The dog Montmorency had an ambition in life. It was to get in the way and be a nuisance. He felt that this day was not wasted if he had made people mad. He had a high aim. It was to get somebody stumble over him and curse him. Montmorency sat down on things. When these were to be packed, he put his legs into the jam. He pretended the lemons were rats and put those into the hamper. Harris said that the narrator only made the dogs do all that, but it was natural for a dog to do life. The packing was done. Harris said that he hoped nothing would be found broken. Then they decided to sleep. Harris asked the narrator if he preferred to sleep inside or outside the bed. George asked when he should wake bed. They started to argue over the time. Finally, they decided to wake up at 6:30. So, students, I think you are able to understand the story. What is packing? Everybody thinks that he is an expert in packing, but in reality, no one is. So, students, message, this story gives a clear message. We must have proper knowledge of packing. In the absence of knowledge, we are bound to face problems as suffered by three friends, Jerome, George and Harris. We also learned that by packing, we must avoid the final stage of packing for some time. Our quick decision may create problems for our future. So students, this is the summary of the story packing. I think you were able to understand it. Thank you, students.